Okay, today we're going to do a fuel pressure test on a Strike 250. Basically what I have done is I've removed the fuel filter off the line and installed my T for my fuel pressure tester. Most all units that are fuel injected are all going to be within a range of 40 to 60 psi. Please refer back to your service manual for the correct specifications. So once you have installed your fuel pressure tester, you want to make sure that you bleed out all the air. Turn the key in the on position. Release the fuel. And at this time, you can always check the fuel for contaminants, color, and also to see if you have any trash or anything in it. Once you do that, you proceed to run the test one more time. And it should jump up to about 43 to 45. And that's how you test the fuel pressure on a Strike 250.